So in this video, we're going to start looking at the concept of pointer modification. So I've created a project called Pointer Modification. You can go ahead and create your own project that I'm going to name Pointer Modification. So pointer modification just simply means changing the value, right? So I'm going to say int birth. Let's say this time around this person was born in 2000. Then I'm going to create a pointer. Okay, a pointer takes the point to symbol. Then I'm going to say pointer to birth. Okay, so it's pointing to which memory address or the memory address of which variable address to birth. So meaning by doing that, we have stored the address of birth in pointer birth. So if we see out or print to the console pointer birth, we're going to have the memory address of that point. Okay, that's the memory address. So now if we want, we can dereference, right? We can say cout. We can now dereference the value that is stored in this pointer. So if we, okay, let me close the console and then recompile. So the first thing we're going to see is the memory address and then the value after dereferencing. So now this is where pointer modification comes in. If you want to change the value at this point, we can use the dereference operator. So to do that, we just simply come here and we're going to dereference first pointer birth. In pointer birth, we're going to set it to 2030, right? 2030, then we're going to see out the new value at a pointer. Okay, I'm going to say modified value. The modified value is going to be at, we're going to dereference the pointer birth like that. Then let me close the console and recompile. So now when I go, okay, so first of all, we have this pointer here that's getting the memory address of birth, which is 0x61FE14. Then we came here, we printed out this memory address here. Then we dereferenced the value at that is stored in birth. Then after that, we modified the value here to 2030. And then now we printed out the modified value. Okay, so the value changes to what? To 2030 from 2000. So this is how how exactly you modify pointers through the dereferencing operator. Okay.